Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to discuss about the types of function. In generally, there are 8 types of functions are there. One function, many one function, onto function, into function, one onto function, one into function, many one onto function, and many one into function. Okay. তোমার there কিমান আছে তোমার 8 function আছে। তার ভিতৰত generally most important function is what? One function and onto function. These two functions are so important. With the help of these two functions, you can explain, that means you can define all the remaining 6 functions. Now, here we consider an example. With the help of example, we explain all the 8 types of functions. Okay. First, if we consider A and B are two non-empty sets. Say one is this one and another is this one. Where f1 is a function, the elements are 1, 2, 3. Here we consider 2, 4, 6. One element related with what? One element. Here also we consider another example. A and B are two non-empty sets mapped by the function f2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 7. 1 related with 4, 2 with 2, 3 with 6. Okay. According to definition of one function is what? If A and B are two non-empty sets, every element of set A, that means different element of set A have different images in set B. Here different element are already related by, then this type of function is known as what? One function. One element related with what? One element. Simply hetu bostu sale hol, here kono complication nai. Eta bostu saba one element related with one element hoiche nai. Single eta element or related hoiche nai, hetu sabo lage. Jodi hoiche, then this one is always what? One function. Here hoi ase, hetu hoi ase. They both are example of what? One function. Yet ki hoise particular this example. Here codomain is what? 2, 4, 6. Range also what? 2, 4, 6. Codomain equal to range. Yet ki hoise range is what? 2, 4, 6. Codomain is what? 2, 4, 6, 7. It means codomain is not equal to range of this function. Clear? Next, we are going to discuss about the many one function. What do we mean by many one function? Say here also we consider two non-empty sets A and B mapped by the function f3. Here we consider some element, 1 related with 1, 2 with 2, and minus 2 also what? Related with what? 4. Here also we consider another example. A and B are two non-empty sets defined by the function f4. Here also we consider 1, 2, minus 2, and 1, 4, 6. 1 related with what? 2 with 2, and minus 2 also related with what? 4. Okay. The last two examples, these both are what? Many one function. Many one function means what? More than one element of set A related with unique element of set B. More than one element or eta element related hole তাকে বুলি কোৱা হয় generally main one function. Okay. আর বেলেগ একো চাব নালাগে, at least one condition must be there whose more than one element of set A related with unique element of set B. At least one relation. তেনেকুৱা minimum eta relation থাকিব লাগিব যাৰ more than one element ইয়াৰ লগত related হ'ব। Then this type of function is known as what? Many one function. Next আহিলে তোমাৰ onto function. Onto function আকৌ কাক কোৱা হয় generally? It will depend on the range of this function and its codomain. If range of this function equal to codomain, then this function is always known as onto function. It is kun kita onto poribo sai lo codomain equal to range. Etu eta poribo codomain range ase. Aru kot porise tomar f3. Etu codomain equal to range. Then this type of functions are known as what? Onto. That means kun porile yan onto f1 and f3. Clear? Next, we are going to discuss about the into function. Into means what? If codomain is not equal to range of this function, then this one is known as into. Codomain aru range duita unequal. Kuntu hoise unequal. Etu eta hoise range kiman ase 2, 4, 6. and codomain 2 4 6 7, and this one also. That these two functions both are what? Into function. Kun koile into f2 and f4. Okay. Again, the next one is what? 1 1 on 2. 1 1 on 2 কোনটো কৰিছে চোৱা 1 1 and on 2 হৈ থাকিব লাগিব 1 1 এটো কৰিছে আৰু on 2 হৈ আছে this one আৰু তো নাই মই এইটা এটো many 1 on 2 হৈ আছে 1 1 on 2 ডেফিনেটলি কোনটো কৰিলে তোমাৰ f1 এটো হৈছে তোমাৰ 1 1 on 2 1 1 on 2 function also known as what? Bijective function. Okay. Next 1 1 into 1 1 আৰু into 1 1 into এটো কৰিব কাৰণ into কি কাৰণে হৈছে codomain is not equal to range of this function এই কাৰণে এই ফাংশনটো কি কৰিলে f2 is what 1 1 and into function. Next one is what? Many 1 on 2 many 1 এটা ভিতৰতে আছে on 2 কোনটো পৰিব এইটো definitely কোনটো পৰিলে তোমাৰ f3 এটো হৈছে তোমাৰ many 1 on 2 function. Clear? Next finally you have many 1 into many 1 হৈ আছে into মানে codomain not equal to range কোনটো পৰিলে definitely f4 which is the many 1 into function. Okay. Initially I am going to define 1 1 function and many 1 function. These two type of function we consider initially. The 1 1 function means what? One element related with what? One element. Eta element jodi eta লগত related হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া তাক কি বুলি কোৱা হয় 1 1 function. According to definition, if A and B are two non-empty sets, if different element of set A have different images in set B, then this function f1 A to B, which is known as a what? 1 1 function. Okay. এই দুইটা एग्जांपल আছে চোৱা দুইটা তোমাৰ 1 1 ফাংশন হৈ আছে ডিফারেন্ট এলিমেন্টৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হৈ আছে ফার্স্ট एग्जांपल codomain equal to range আছে ইয়াত কি হৈছে তোমাৰ codomain is not equal to range of this function. From this part, first part to পৰা তোমাৰ কি হৈ গল চোৱা ইয়াত number of elements in set A, how many elements are there? 3 elements. In number of elements in set B কিমান আছে 3. এবাৰ number of elements in set A equal to number of elements in set B. এটা এটো আছে is equal to number of elements in set B. Next second one কি আছে তোমাৰ number of elements in set A less than number of elements in set B. Here how many elements? 3. Here how many elements are there? 4 elements. That one কি হৈছে strictly less. ইয়াত যদি কেনেবাকে number of elements in set A greater than number of elements in set B হৈ যায় set তোমাক ইয়াত এটা এলিমেন্ট মই লৈ লৈছো ইয়াত বেছি আছে ইয়াত কম আছে তেতিয়াহলে কি হ'ব এই কাৰৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড হ'ব লাগিব মাস্ট ই যদি ৰিলেটেড হৈ যায় ফাংশন কি ফাংশন হৈ যাব ডেফিনেটলি many 1 হৈ যাব that means for 1 1 function you must have these two conditions number of elements is equal to number of elements in set B and number of elements in set A strictly less than number of elements in set B. By combining these two conditions you can write like that number of elements in set A less than equal to number of elements in set B. That is the existential condition for 1 1 function. 1 1 function হলে এই condition to সদায় satisfy হ'ব লাগিব okay. Next many 1 function. What do you mean by many 1 function? Many 1 function means what? Two or more elements of set A associated with one unique element of set B. That means here at least one relation like that. That means at least one relation whose more than one element of set A related to unique element of set B. তেনেকুৱা কিমান থাকিব লাগিব at least one মানে minimum 1 এটা হ'ব পাৰে এনেকুৱা বেছি হ'ব পাৰে okay এনেকুৱা at least one relation যদি থাকে then this function is known as what many 1 function okay ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি হৈছে তোমাৰ codomain range equal ইয়াত codomain is not equal to range okay then this function is known as what many 1 function. Now next we discuss about how to check whether the given function is 1 1 or many 1. In general there are 3 methods. With the help of these 3 methods you can say whether the given function is what 1 1 or not. One is what analytical method, the second one is what graphical method, and third one is what derivative method. In generally আমি এই analytic method টো আমি ইউজ কৰিম problem খিনি কৰোতে আৰু গ্ৰাফিকেল মেথডৰ থ্ৰুদি তাৰমানে তোমাৰ কোৱেশ্চনটো গ্ৰাফৰ থ্ৰুদি তুমি গম পাবা যে ফাংচনটো মেনি ওৱান হৈ আছে নে ওৱান ওৱান হৈ আছে এইটো মেথডৰ থ্ৰুদি তুমি চেক কৰিব পাৰিবা নেক্সট ডেৰাইভেটিভ মেথড উইথ দি হেল্প অফ দিস মেথড এই মেথডটোৰ থ্ৰুদি তোমাৰ কৰিবলৈ একেবাৰে ইজি তোমাৰ যদি এন্ট্ৰেন্স এক্সাম বিলাকৰ কাৰণে এই মেথডটো ম্যাক্সিমাম আমি ইউজ কৰো এইটো মেথডৰ থ্ৰুদি কৰিবলৈ বেছি ইজি ইউজ কৰিম ফাৰ্স্ট how can you define how can you explain this method that means analytical method okay the analytical method to ami keneke explain koru ei bostu ebar ami discuss koribo jiya saba generally if we consider two sets a and b both are non-empty mapped by the function f there is some element 1 2 3 here is one element also 4 5 and 6 1 related with 4 2 with 5 3 with what 6 definitely this function is a what 1 function देखि 1 function जे होय আছে analytic method through তুমি কেনেকে চেক কৰিব পাৰিবা now the function is defined like that f is a function a to b f is a function a to b the set of element a ই সদায় কি দিয়ে বুলি কৈছিল আমি domain and the set of element b gives what codomain of this function e codomain okay generally jibla pre-image thake he pre-image ni ko thakbo a set aru images bila ko thakbo set b that means x1 x2 jodi tar moi pre-image bili consider koru tetiale map by the function f of x1 and f of x2 belongs to where set b clear jodi tumar pre-image la set era thai tetiale tar image ni ko thakbo set b according to definition of function etia tumar a element to jodi moi eto consider korila tumi x1 aru a element to tumi consider korila tumi x2 tetiale 4 element to tumar karone ki hoy jabo tumar f of x1 aru 5 to tumar karone ki hoy jabo ei f of x2 ইয়াৰ পৰা কি লৈছে তোমাৰ এলিমেন্ট কিটা কৰবা লৈছে let x1 x2 both are belongs to which set set a here পৰা লৈছে x1 x2 x1 ৰ ভ্যালু 1 লৈছে আৰু x2 ভ্যালু কি লৈছে 2 তে এই দুইটা এলিমেন্ট ইকুৱেল অৰ আনইকুৱেল definitely ইয়াত কি হৈ আছে x1 is not equal to x2 then images are f of x1 and f of x2 f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 that means if we consider x1 is not equal to x2 this implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 with the help of this condition a2 condition or through function to তোমাৰ 1 1 হয় নে নহয় চেক কৰিব পাৰিবা তুমি কি কৰিবা x1 আৰু x2 দুটা ভ্যালু দেখা পাবা এই ভ্যালুটা এবাৰ f of x1 পুট কৰি দিয়া আৰু f of x2 ভ্যালু দিবা দুইটা ভ্যালু যদি তোমাৰ আনইকুৱেল আহিছে তেতিয়া তুমি গম পাবা যে given function is what 1 1 function okay otherwise কেতিয়াবা এনেকেও কৰা হয় x1 x2 এটুকে a এলিমেন্ট টুকে সেম এলিমেন্ট টুকে লম এটু x1 বুলি লৈছে আৰু x2 বুলি লৈছে একেটা এলিমেন্টে লৈছে এটুকে x1 বুলি লৈছে আৰু x2 বুলি লৈছে আৰু এটু এলিমেন্টকে মই কি ললো মই তেতিয়ালে f of x1 আৰু f of x2 দুইটা কি আহিছে তোমাৰ সেম তাৰমানে f of x1 ইকুৱেল টু যদি f of x2 হয় তেতিয়া ডেফিনেটলি কি হ'ব তোমাৰ x1 ইকুৱেল টু x2 that means one more condition is what if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 then this implies x1 is equal to x2 with the help of this condition you can check the given function is 1 1 or not যদি image kita equal hoy the pre image kita jodi ki imply kore equal imply kore then this function is always what 1 1 ei duita condition e tumar 1 1 check koribole use kori maximum ami ei condition to use kori second one the f of x1 image jodi equal hoy pre image equal or not first to eta use kora hoy tumar jodi tumi already prothomate gom pai gola je pre image kita tumar unequal hoy ase to enequal hoche eta pre image even number hoche eta tumi odd number hoche tetale gom pala je duita pre-image definitely unequal কাৰণ even number আৰু odd number কেতিয়াও equal নহয় তেতিয়া আমি এই particular condition use কৰিম clear now যদি তোমাৰ কেতিয়াবা এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় ফাংচন চাবা দেই ইয়াত 2 আছে এটো -2 আছে আৰু ইয়াত আছে 4 2 related with 4 and -2 also related with what 4 the a particular format to tomar ki hoye ase sabasun ha yat ki hoye more than one element of this set a related with what unique element of what set yat tomar ki hoye etu jodi x1 loa if you consider this one x1 etu lola tumi x2 aru f of x1 or value power 4 f of x2 value ki paisa tumi 4 e paisa that means if f of x1 is equal to f of x2 duita image same hoye ase but pre-image is x1 is not equal to x2 x1 is not equal to x2 that is the condition for many one function if images are equal means that are equal plus equal to be considered korise but pre-images are but not equal then this function is always but etu car condition many one function condition car hobo to many one otherwise if images are equal and if this implies p-image are also equal then this function is always one again if images are equal but pre-images are unequal then this type of function is known as what many one function okay with the help of this condition we say whether the function is one or many one here we consider two examples one is what this one f is a function n to n natural number to natural number f of x equal to x square and second one f is a function r to r f of x equal to what x square now we have to say whether the given function is what 1 or not the first question to model is about f is a function what natural number to what natural number where f of x is equal to what x square let two element we consider x1 and x2 korpa doribo lagibo element bita always belongs to where n means what all the natural number to korpa doisa kuntu n domain here point mention korisu generally tomar eta function jeta 1 ba many one set koribo laga hoy ei domain tur upor mainly depend koribo kar upor particular function tur domain tur upor okay now if we consider going the f of x1 is equal to f of x2 already we have two conditions one is what if f of x1 equal to f of x2 this implies x1 equal to x2 then this function is 1 otherwise if f of x1 equal to f of x2 but x1 is not equal to x2 then this function is known as what many one and aru eta paisa one check koribo karone if x1 is not equal to x2 which implies f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 okay it is f of x1 equal to f of x2 images are equal to consider এটা function put koru moi kiman ahibo put korile f of x equal to x square x1 square equal to x2 square और a part to horai tumi square jeta thake tomar even power thake na cancel kori dira yat ki hobo pare duta value hobo pare one is what positive value another is what negative ekene left side e ani dibo taking in the left hand side of this equation okay then you have what x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 is equal to 0 either x1 minus x2 equal to 0 or x1 plus x2 equal to 0 here x1 and x2 both are belongs to where natural number therefore sum of natural number cannot be equal to 0 hence this part is impossible and natural number sum korile ketiao ki hobo nore 0 hobo nore a part to ki hobo tomar this part is what impossible the possible part is what this one that means x1 is equal to x2 what does it mean if f of x1 equal to f of x2 this implies x1 is equal to what x2 okay so ultimately you have the function is always what 1 function okay hence f is a 1 function. Next, if we consider another example, this one is a function r to r where f of x equal to x squared. তেতিয়া তোমাৰ কি হ'ব চাবা একটা প্ৰসিডিউৰতে আছে তোমাৰ ইয়াত তোমাৰ আছে r to r ওকে ইয়াত আছে তোমাৰ ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ টু ৰিয়েল নাম্বাৰ 2 ইয়াত মই r লিখিলো এইখিনি প্ৰসিডিউৰ সেম আহিব ফাইনালি ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি আহি গ'ল এই পাৰ্টটো কি হৈ গ'ল তোমাৰ চাবা ইয়াৰ লাগে তোমাৰ সেম আছে x1 x2 0 or x1 x2 0 here both are possible the sum of real number may be equal to 0 कारण x1 x2 belongs to r I got a natural number so they can equal to 0 হ'ব নোৱাৰে by using these two condition এইটো part পালা x1 equal to x2 আৰু second part টোৰ পৰা কি পাই গলা x1 is equal to minus x2 that means x1 is equal to plus minus x2 with the help of this condition etu ki pai gola x1 equal to plus minus x2 that means what it magnitude are equal magnitude jodi uliai dia equal holabo ba what sign of p images are what opposite eta sign jodi 2 thake equal minus 2 hobo kene kom palu x1 equal to what plus minus x2 jodi function tu kama yar pora ki kom pai gola eta given function is not a 1 function e 1 nohoy কারণ 1 1 হলো এক্স্যাক্টলি কি হবে লাগিব x1 is equal to what x2 ইয়াত কি হৈছে x1 equal to plus minus x2 আছে মানে প্রিমিস কিটা কেনেকুৱা হৈছে তোমাৰ ইকুয়ালি ম্যাগনিটিউড ৰিয়েল হলে ইকুয়াল আহিব বাট অপোজিট ইন সাইন কিটা কি হৈছে তোমাৰ অপোজিট যদি এনেকুৱা থাকে তেতিয়া সদায় এটা তোমাৰ কাউন্টাৰ এক্সাম্পল দিব লাগিব ओके the counter example to কেনেকুৱা লম মই x1 equal to এটা যদি মই 2 লম আৰু x2 equal to কি লম মই -2 কেনে গম পালো with the help of this result ইয়াত কি হৈছে three images are what equal কি equal হয় magnitude to equal হয় but opposite in sign মানে এটা যদি 2 থাকে ইটো -2 লব লাগিব এটা 3 ললে ইটো কি লব লাগিব -3 this number a number কেনে এনেকুৱা কনসিডাৰ কৰিব লাগিব হেতু কোৰ পৰা গলা with the help of this result clear now f of x1 কিমান পাই যাবা f of 2 equal to what with the help of this condition 2 square is equal to 4 that is the value of f of x1 okay next f of x2 means what f of -2 that means -2 squared with the help of this result ultimately this one also 4 so what does it mean here pra ki pai gola therefore f of x1 equal to what f of x2 but x1 is what not equal to x2 karon x1 hole eta 2 ase aru eta ki ase tomar -2 images are equal but three images are what unequal therefore f is what many one function কি ফাংশন হয় বল কি তোমার আর যদি 1 1 নহয় you have to prove that means you must give a counter example এটা তোমার counter example দিব লাগিব ইয়াত কি গম পাই গলা চোৱা ফাংশন দুটা আমি সেম লৈছো সেম ফাংশন but its domains are different হেকে domain টোৰ ওপৰত হি মেইনলি ডিপেন্ড কৰি থাকিব যেতিয়া তুমি ফাংশনটো 1 1 or many one চেক কৰা now I am going to discuss about the graphical method. That means with the help of graphical method, you can check whether the function is what 1 1 or not. In the graphical method means what? How can you check the function is 1 1 or not by using what graphical method? Graphical method of command ki ase kotha tu saba. Generally, eta particular function da dia thakibo. Ei particular function tur ami ki graphical representation kori. In the graphical representation jeta graph to ami represent korilu in the graphical representation if we consider a line jodi eta mo line consider koru which is parallel to x axis which is parallel to which axis x axis if this line intersect this graph only one point jodi eta point ot intersect kore then this function is always known as what 1 1 function. Otherwise, the line which is parallel to x axis, if this line intersect more than one point, এটাতকে যদি বেছি পয়েন্টত হি ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰে এই গ্রাফিক্যাল রিপ্রেজেন্টেশন তো then this function is always known as what many one function. As an example, if we consider f is a function r to r, real number to real number, or function to dia ase f of x equal to mod of x. Aru eta mo consider korisu saba f is a function r positive to r positive dia ase. Okay, and f of x equal to mod of x. Same function we consider, but domains are different. Okay, from first example, that we graphical representation koro, we consider these two axes. Enekwa v set kora ahibo mod function graph to eta x axis, that is the what y axis. Domain is what all the real number. Etu side ahibo pare aru etu side jabo. Okay, if we draw any line parallel to x axis parallel to the line that we can draw kori disu. This line intersect how many points? 2 points. One point is this one, another is point this one. Therefore, this function f of x equal to mod of x always what? One or many one? Definitely, this one is a many one function. Why? That is the origin. ইয়াত তোমাৰ যদি এটো ভ্যালু এটা পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট আছে ইয়াত এটা পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট আছে এই পার্টিকুলার পয়েন্ট সে তুমি যদি ইয়াত x1 ললা এফালে কি হ'ব তোমাৰ -x1 হ'ব ইকুয়াল ডিসটেন্সৰ পয়েন্ট আছে ইয়াত দুইটা ভ্যালু অফ x1 and this one এটো x2 বুলি লৈছো x1 and x2 both are different এটা পজিটিভৰ ফালে গৈছে এটা নেগেটিভৰ ফালে গৈছে but that is the value of what f of x1 and that is the value of what f of x2. Here ki hoise that is the value of y value mane duita y value ki hoise tomar same. That means f of x1 equal to what f of x2, but x1 and x2 both are what different. The duita pre-image kita tomar unequal, mane x1 is not equal to x2, but here ki hoise tomar f of x1 equal to f of x2. Then what does it mean? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but x1 is not equal to x2, that means images are equal, but pre-image is what? Not equal. Definitely, this function must be a what? Many one function. Ki function hoy boli tomar many one. Tore eta bostue mon rakhiba, beleg ekku nai. Je tumi graph draw korila parallel to x axis eta line draw korila graph tur upor. Jodi duta point katise, sure hi many one. যদি এটা পরে কাটে কি হ'ব তোমাৰ 1 মেনি ওয়ান কি হ'ব এটো মই एग्जांपल থ্ৰু তোমাক দেখাইছো ক্লিয়াৰ নেক্সট সেকেন্ড ওয়ান নাম্বার 2 ইয়াত চাবা পার্টিকুলার एग्जांपल সেম mod ফাংশন লৈছো that is the x axis and that is the y axis domain is what r positive তাহলে নন নেগেটিভ রিয়েল নাম্বার আমি নেগেটিভ খিনি লব নোৱাৰো নেগেটিভ লব নোৱাৰিলে এটো সাইডে পয়েন্ট খিনি চুজ কৰিব নোৱাৰো এটো সাইডে পয়েন্ট খিনি চুজ কৰিব নোৱাৰিলে এই লাইনডাল আমি কনসিডাৰ কৰিব নোৱাৰো that means এই লাইনডাল তোমাৰ নাহি এটা লাইন আহিলে কোনটা লাইন আহিব অনলি লাইন এটা লাইন আহিব এই পার্টিকুলার লাইনডাল কিয় নাহে কাৰণ আমাৰ ডমেইন কি আছে অল দা নন নেগেটিভ ৰিয়েল নাম্বার ওকে now if we draw a line parallel to x axis যদি মই parallelly draw কৰো কেটা পয়েন্ট কাটছে only one point এটা পয়েন্ট কাটছে এটা পয়েন্টের কাটলে কি ডেফিনেটলি কি ফাংশন হ'ব সিওর 1 ফাংশন কি কারণে মই এটো পয়েন্ট ললো এটা ভ্যালু পালা যদি এটো পয়েন্ট ললো আকৌ y ভ্যালু বেলেগ পাব এটো পয়েন্ট ললো আকৌ y ভ্যালু বেলেগ ইয়াত বেলেগ মানে ডিফাইন্ড পয়েন্টৰ কাৰণে ডিফাইন্ড ভ্যালু অফ x ৰ কাৰণে f of x ৰ ভ্যালু কি ওলাইছে তোমাৰ ডিফাইন্ড আহিছে therefore this function is what 1 function ই কি হ'ব তোমাৰ 1 simply এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা যদি গ্ৰাফিক্যালি ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰা পিছত when you draw a line parallel to x axis if this line intersect more than one point definitely this one is what many one function otherwise if this line intersect only one point then this function is known as what one function. In this particular method that means with the help of derivative method you can say function is what 1 or not. The derivative method to through the keneke ami check koribo pari. In generally, here condition is what? If f dash of x, that means what? First derivative is greater than 0. If f dash of x is greater than 0, then this function is what? 1. Particular the domain ase, hey domain to jodi first derivative greater than 0 hoy, then this function is what? 1. Again, if f dash of x is what? Less than 0. Jodi he less than 0 hoy, then this function also what? 1. Greater than 0 hole 1 boli kom, particular jodi interval ase, he interval or bitor. আৰু যদি তোমাৰ less than 0 হৈ আছে, সেই যেটো ফাংচন দি আছে, সেই ফাংচনটোৰ পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ ইন্টাৰভেলৰ ভিতৰত যদি হি less than 0 হয়, then this is also 1 function. Otherwise, if this function is what? Greater than 0 and less than 0 both within this interval, যদি এটা পার্টিকুলার ইন্টারভেলৰ ভিতৰত হি greater than 0 হয় বা less than 0 হয়, greater than 0 and less than 0 দুইটা যদি পসিবল হয়, then this function is known as what? Many one function. Okay. Now, if we consider an example, eta moi example consider korilo prothomte sai loa. Generally tomar the entrance exam or karone etu sobot ki easy method. In one or two line or method tumi function to one or many one uliabo pare. We consider two example. One is this one, etu eta loisu moi, and second one is what? This one. Here domain is what? What is the domain of this function? 0 to pi by 2. Here domain is what? 0 to pi. Now you have to check whether this function is what? 1 1 or not. Initially we consider first one. First one consider number 1. What is the value of f of x? F of x equal to what? Sin of x. What is the domain of this function? Domain means what? The value of x. Domain means what? X is belongs to 0 to pi by 2. That means lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Iti ami f dash of x will know. F dash of x equal to what? You have after derivative of this function is equal to cos of x. So cos of x, x is lies on where? 0 to pi by 2. That means lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant, cos is positive or negative? Definitely greater than 0. And here we consider equal to 0 by pi by 2, which are given in closed interval. Again, here equal to 0. That means what? First derivative is greater than 0. First derivative is positive hoy within this interval, then this function f of x is what? 1 1. Directly you can say the given function is what? 1. So hoy na no I ever check kori sao. Just we have to verify with the method of what? Graphical method of thori ta kenai koribo pari so. With the help of graph, sin x function of curve dal enake jabo like that. You can consider in this way. That is the 0 and the domain is what? 0 to pi by 2. Here tomar pi by 2 ase. And this one is what? Pi. In this example, here we consider domain is what? 0 to pi by 2. Only this part we consider 0 to pi by 2. That means remaining these parts are not necessary. A two part okay. So within this part, the part to be 0 to pi by 2. Graphical representation of sin x is like that. If you draw any line parallel to x-axis intersected, how many points? Only what? 1 point. Therefore, with the help of graph, you can say the function f of x equal to sin x is a 1 function. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss second question. Okay. Same question, but its domains are different. Question function tomar same diya ase, but domains are different. Domain is what? 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Now, here we consider f of x equal to sin of x, f dash of x equal to what? Cos of x. That is the given part. Now, x lies in where? 0 to pi. F dash of x ani check koribo lage. এই পার্টত কি হলালে 0 to pi by 2 ইয়াত cos x পজিটিভ হয় and pi by 2 to pi ইয়াত কি হয় তোমাৰ জেনাৰেলি নেগেটিভ that means the value of f dash of x equal to cos of x is greater than equal to 0 when if x is belongs to where 0 to pi by 2 lies in this quadrant, first quadrant. Again, these values cos of x is less than 0 if x is belongs to where pi by 2 to f dash of x. You have two value. It is what eta part ki hola tomar positive, another part means what negative value. That means 0 to pi by 2 greater than 0 and pi by 2 to pi is what less than 0. Now 0 to pi domain is what 0 to pi. The 0 to pi meter within this interval 0 to pi f dash of x is greater than 0 or less than 0. F dash of x is what greater than 0 and less than 0 both. A part to tomar positive আহিছে, a part to tomar কি আহিছে negative আহিছে. যদি এটা only positive আহে within this interval তেতিয়ালে 1 on হয়, only যদি negative আহিছে তেতিয়ালে কি interval কি বেটা 1 on হ'ব. যদি both positive and negative both within this interval then this function must be what many one function. এই কি function হৈ যাব তোমাৰ many one. Okay, as a graphical representation you can examine it. Graph through it may examine koribo para. Say if we consider sine function like that, like as a graph. Okay, sine function graph. This one is what down this like that you can draw like that. Okay, this one is 0, this one is pi by 2, this one is what pi. Okay, domain is what 0 to pi. That is the domain of this function. F of x equal to what sin x. If you draw a line parallel to x axis intersect how many points in the given graphical representation? Exactly 2 points. Therefore this function must be what minimum function. That means with the help of graph you can say the given function is a minimum function. Okay.